Today, I'll show you how to check your CPU temperature on Windows 11. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Unlike the GPU temperature, you can't see CPU temperature in Windows Settings or Task Manager, so we'll use a free app called HWinfo. First, open your web browser and type HWinfo. Open the first result, which is the official HWinfo website. On the website, click the green button that says Download Free. On the next page, choose the first option from the list. On the next page after that, click Windows Installer to start the download. Once the download is complete, click on the file to install it. Then click OK. Click Next, then Next again. Accept the license agreement by checking the box, then click Next. Click Next a few more times, click Install, then click Finish. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now the app is installed and launched. Click Start. You may see some extra windows open. Close those extra windows. Now click Sensors. At the bottom of the Sensors window, you can see your CPU temperature updating in real time, shown in degrees Celsius. That's how you can easily check your CPU temperature on Windows 11 using the HWinfo app.